Fractions and decimals, these are common equivalents. 1/2 is equal to 0.5, 1/4 is equal to 0.25, and so on. First we're going to change decimals into fractions, and we use this method, the place value. So let's do example 1. So 0.7, so its place value here is 7/10. So we can't simplify any further, so basically 0.7 is equal to 7/10. Example 2, so 0.8 is written as 8/10, but we can simplify it because both numbers are even. So if we divide the top number by 2 and the bottom number by 2, so we get 4 on the top and we get 5 on the bottom. So 0.8 is equal to 4/5. Let's do example 3. Now we've got two numbers after the decimal, so that means it's that many hundreds. So 0.48, so we write 48 hundredths. Now we can divide and top by 2, so we get 24 on the top and 50 on the bottom. We can divide again by 2, top and bottom. So on the top we get 12, 50 divided by 2 is 25. So therefore 0.48 is equal to 12 divided by 25. Here example 4, so 0.47 we write as 47 over 100. This time we can't simplify any further, so that's the end, that's the answer. Let's do example 5. Now we have three numbers after the decimal. That means how many thousands? So if we write 0.573 is equal to 573 divided by 1000. We can't cancel any further, so that's it. This is the answer. Now we're going to change fractions into decimals. What we do, just divide the top number by the bottom number. So here we have 3 divided by 8, so we write 3 here. Now we can divide by 8. So we're going to use the long division method. How many 8 can go to 3? 0. So we write 0 here. Then we put the decimal point, and after the decimal point there, we put a 0 here. Now we see how many 8 can go into 30. 8 times 3 is 24, so it's 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. Now we find the remainder. The remainder is 6. Then we just add another 0 here. How many 8 can go into 60? 8 times 7 is 56. Then find the remainder is 4. Then we just add 0 here. How many 8 can go into 40? It's 5. Now we have the remainder 0. So therefore 3/8 is equal to 0.375. Now do example 2. 5 and divided by 9. How many 9 go into 5? 0. Write the decimal point here, then add 0 here. How many 9 can go into 50? 9 times 5 is 45. So it's 5. So write 45. Then we find the remainder is 5. add another 0 here. Again, 5 9s go in there, and we got the remainder 5 again. Now you can see the pattern what's going on. You have the remainder 5 again, and so on. So what's happening here is the 5 is recurring. So therefore 5 divided by 9 is equal to, you can just write 0.5 and put a dot on the top, means it's recurring. This is 0.5555 and so on. Now try these questions yourself. When you've done them, then check the answers. Here are the answers. 1/4 is 0.25, 0.4 simplified to 2/5, 1/3 is 0.3 recurring, 1/8 is a common fraction, is 0.125. Now if you want to looking for 5/8, basically if you multiply that answer by 5, you will get this answer here. And 3/5 is equal to 0.6.